Hi everyone! We've always dreamt of going on a road trip across Canada and back home from the USA. But this was just a dream. So one day we said, enough dreaming and let's turn this dream real. So I started to plan out our trip. I got a book, I made a schedule, we researched everywhere we wanted to go. And we made a key points of every place we wanted to visit. And everything we did, we put it down into a plan. So I put all my plans down into a book. And this is my book. This is my binder. It starts off with our schedule. It starts off with our schedule, my binder. I have the days, the time zones, the hours, the places we're going to go and visit, and the distance that we're going to be driving, as well as all the kilometers on each and every single day. So in this binder, I have my schedule. I have the addresses of all the places we're going to be visiting, the places, the addresses, if there's a cost, and how much should it cost, or what time they open and close. And then I have all the hotels we're going to. The hotel name, the hotel address, the hotel telephone number, and all the hotels have free breakfast. I've also included the time zones for the US and for Canada. And then I included the sum of the conversion, kilometers into miles, temperature, Celsius into Fahrenheit, the gas conversion, because in Canada it's by liter, and in US is by gallon, so how to calculate that, as well as the money conversion, because the exchange rate, although not very good right now, I'm going to fill that up when the time comes, because the exchange rate fluctuates. It's about $1.28 US to $1 Canadian, I think. And after that I have the hotel section. I can note down the hotels, the prices, and all the hotel addresses, my confirmations. I had to reserve all my hotels ahead of time because we're traveling in July, and in July is a very high season for tourists, and we're going to a lot of the tourist spots. So to guarantee us a place to stay for the night, I pre-booked our hotels. And I have all my hotel confirmations here. And all my hotels, I make sure they have breakfast available. At the end, I have a little empty section where I keep all my receipts. I did the same thing for my gas. For the gas we're going to purchase. Then I have a section for our food. And then I have a section for the activities. I can write down all the activities we're going to be doing, the amount we're going to be spending, and a section to keep all my receipts. And then I have a miscellaneous section. And most importantly, on our trip, I have a section for our maps. Very important. It's from our location, from where we are to our destination. And then from the destination that we were at to the next location. So I have a little picture of a map and all the directions. So all of this are the maps. I included one at the city of Chicago. So we plan on biking through the city maybe. So this is our binder, where we're going to be bringing that with us to the trip and helping us to get from one place to another. I was advised to also get real maps and not to rely solely on the GPS. So I have some maps. Some maps of Ontario I've ordered, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, the state of Washington, city of Seattle, Wyoming, South Dakota, Spokane, Wisconsin, Cleveland, Ohio, and I have a few more. I'm also waiting for some more to come in. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your tips, your adventures on road trips, and whatever advice you can give to make this road trip perfect. I'm going to be posting more videos of our upcoming trips, so be sure not to miss it. Thanks!